Hi everyone and welcome to Web as a Step tutorials. This is Ahmed Fakhr and this tutorial about how to run multiple PHP versions on Windows system at the same time. 3 days later, I searched for an local environment for PHP that can run multiple versions for PHP at the same time, and I was using XAMPP. XAMPP is a good choice, but it will be hard to hack it to use multiple PHP versions. The best choice, in my opinion, is laragon. Let's search for laragon. Laragon is portable, isolated, fast and powerful universal development environment for PHP and also has multiple features. So what is the first step? Downloading. You have multiple editions. I use the Laragon Lite because I will not use Node.js, npm, yarn and Git. So click here, and if you want the full edition you can download from here. If you want to try it, just use the Laragon portable. Let's first download. Press here and it will start downloading. I will cancel it because I have another version. Then press on the exe to start installing. One of the best features with Laragon, it is lightweight, working very fast. Next, 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 install. Now to complete the installation, let's restart the computer. After restarting, let's open Laragon and let's start all, and it is started. As you see, we have a MySQL version 5.7, Apache 2.4, and all this with x64. The PHP version is 7.2. If you close, it will open here. You can right click to see. We have a MySQL, the database manager, phpmyadmin, Hedi, SQL. You can also change the MySQL from here. If I want to change or add another MySQL, I can click here, and MySQL I can download and paste another one here. Also for the Apache, I have the version 2.4. I can add another one, PHP local development environment. Here also I can add another PHP version, and there is another tools like the log viewer, Notepad++. Here you can see the another quick apps like Drupal 8, Laravel, Symfony. You can access the php.ini. You can fastly allow or disallow any extension. Also have the mail catcher. If you want to enable sending mail with Gmail, you can add the Gmail address and password. You can test to sending the mail. There is another steps. We're not gonna discuss it here, but let's first try to install another version. The first step before installing another PHP version, to check the Apache version. As example, here we have PHP 7.2.11. This is the PHP version. Also we have the system, which is Windows, and the Apache version, which is 15, and the type of the version, which is x64. So to choose any version, we should have the 3 types. Let's make a test. First, you should to go to windows.php.net/downloads/releases. Here I want to install the PHP version 5.6.40. I will choose Windows version VCS 11 and x64. Also, to download the Apache version, if you see here, we have version 11. So Apache binaries for Windows VC 11, and you will find it here. And here you go, you have two versions, and we need the 64 version. Press here to download. I have already downloaded it, and already I have downloaded the PHP 5.6.40, and I will install it directly. Here I have the Apache version. I will copy it and go to the laragon Apache, and this is the directory. I will go to the Apache root, and this is the extracted file. Then copy the name without the extension and rename the Apache directory. Then delete the zip file and other files. That's okay. The PHP version, can go to the PHP, go to the directory, go back PHP, paste here, extract to the same name for the folder, delete from here. So we have two versions, version 11 and version 15. Now I will first go to the root directory, C laragon www, and we'll open the index, php echo php info, to see the current PHP version, and it is 7.2.11. That's okay. Now to start the PHP 5.6 version, we should switch from the PHP version and also switch from the Apache version. To do that, go to the laragon and right click, choose PHP 5.6, and you will see this warning: your PHP version is 5.6 with the Windows 32 version 11, and the Apache version is with the Windows 64 with version are not compatible. So make sure to change the PHP and Apache with the both versions x86 and the same version, which is 11 or 14 or 15. Now after changing the PHP version, let's change the Apache version. Here is the Apache version 11. Press, wait a moment, all started. Let's try again. Here you go, 5.6.40. The next step, if I want to add another application like phpmyadmin, it is very easy. phpmyadmin downloads. Let's download it from here, and it will download now. Wait a moment until finished. As you see, everything to work with laragon is very easy, and customize the laragon as you want. Here I will open the phpmyadmin, go to laragon, right click, mysql, go here, laragon, apps. You can extract phpmyadmin here. Can remove this. Let's try to use phpmyadmin, and that's it. The default username is root and without password. Go, stop, start, and it will work with phpmyadmin by default, as you see here. If I click, here you go. Don't forget to subscribe to get the latest tutorials, and thank you for watching. See you next.